Hey guys, I'm Lipika and you are watching my channel Art in Blood. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a Doremon bookmark. I have already showed how to make bookmarks in my previous video, but today I am trying to be a little more creative, so let's get started. Okay, so I am using A4 size blue art paper and I need to cut out a square piece from it. You can buy square shaped art papers which are easily available in any stationery shop. The choice is yours. Don't throw the remaining piece of rectangular paper. We can utilize it as well for making bookmarks like the heart-shaped bookmark I have showed in my previous video. Okay, so carefully observe these steps now. Now take a white art paper and draw a circle. Your circle should neither be too small nor too large. I am making the areas of whisker, muzzle and lips using the circular piece of paper. So here we go. I am not using red art paper, instead I am using the white one for making the nose. I will color the nose with a red sketch pen, but it will be better if you use red art paper directly. It depends upon you, whatever you feel, you must go on with it. So now I'm gonna make the eyes of Doremon. I'm drawing an oval shape. Make sure the shape of the eyes are equal. Now draw the whiskers and lips of Doremon using black sketch pen or glitter pen. Also draw borders for making the facial expression prominent and cute. And it's done. Alright, here you have your bookmark ready. Thanks for watching my video guys. You can explore more videos in my channel and please don't forget to like and subscribe.